So today, since it's a rainy day, I thought to cheer myself up by making a, you'll get to see what I made. Try to guess. Well, if you can't, it's a blanket fort. So my dolls are in it, Isabel and Mary Ellen, and I set up just little spots for them to sit and put some things for them, and I put some books for me and my art supplies, and a few stuffed animals, and there's some more here, and I'm going to be giving you a few, and Mary Ellen's going to be giving you a few ideas if you're upset about it raining too. Isabel, do you want to start? Sure. Well, 1, make a blanket fort. That always cheers me up. And maybe make some cookies for your mom or your dad. And maybe do some art. Maybe like stomp in some puddles. But that's all I really got. Okay. You, Mary Ellen? Well, you could do a YouTube video and make a little play. That's a very good idea. You can make stuff for your mom or dad. That's a great idea. That's all I got. Okay. Me. Well, that's all I got. And that's not a thing. So, I'm going to show you more of my blanket fort and to give you ideas, but I'm not going to show you because it's your own. I want it to be your own. But this is it. And then I'll show you outside. This is what it looks outside. Show you this part. You can sort of see inside right there, but yeah, and that's it. Well, that's it. Bye. I hope you liked the video.